Surprised how many vehicles come here. Like, doesn't matter if it's like a weekend warrior kind of car all the way up to like a professional racing team. They have axles bent, but they don't see it until they're like bolted to something that's rigid and it doesn't move.
No, I mean, it's a linkage job.
It ain't. It's in first.
What's up, guys? Cameron here with Luke Shivers and his, what year Nova is this?
72.
72 Nova, 632 big block Chevy with some nitrous on it. Looks like you guys do mostly like no prep stuff. Are you doing front side of the track or back side of the track
We
stuff?
do both.
Both?
Right.
So whichever way on the racetrack they want you to go, you go.
That's right.
All right, so we made 1,400 horsepower on the dyno today with this thing, not even really pushing it hard. I had fun kind of showing you guys around how to do all the power management stuff and how to get your fueling straight and all that kind of stuff, how to read plugs and everything. But I guess why don't you just give everybody else a rundown of what your day was like on the dyno today?
When we first came here, just put it on, did motor passes. I think we did 2 motor passes and got the freaking fuel and all that stuff cleaned up, and then started on the nitrous passes and had 2 kits, 2 dry kits. Did the first 2 pulls with the dry kits, and then with both kits on.
Yep. So
9, 10 passes all together.
Yeah, I think it was around 9. So one of the most important things with the nitrous combination is actually getting it to run properly without any nitrous first. All of your fuel and timing and all that kind of stuff needs to be correct, so that way when you turn the nitrous on, all the numbers and everything makes sense, and it's a lot easier for you guys to deal with at the racetrack. So within the first couple passes, we dialed in this thing on motor. I think it made upper 900s or something like that, which is pretty good. And then you have a lot more room to put more nitrous on this thing. Trust me, it'll make more than this. But now you have a really good, stable baseline that you guys can go and race pretty much anywhere and just kind of move the tune-up around for whatever surface that you're on.
Right.
Also showed you how to do the engine plot and some of the other traction control stuff that we have, which is going to be super useful for you. But man, I had a really good time on the dyno today. I hope you guys enjoyed yourselves.
I think we did. I mean, I think we got everything accomplished that we wanted to. So,
what do you race in a particular series or anything like that, or just whatever?
Yeah, it's mostly True Street.
True Street, okay.
They have a drive 5, 7 miles, 10 miles, and then it's all still.
Okay, so you have to do a cruise for a certain amount of time.
That's right.
To prove that it's a runnable car in that kind of a way, and then you go
and all glass and everything. So it weighs 3,400 pounds with me in it.
3,400 pounds. And how fast do you guys need to go in that class to be competitive?
Probably 530s, 520s.
Okay,
and 8 mile.
that's getting pretty quick. I think it should be able to do that with the power that we made on the dyno today. So thank you again for coming by. I had fun. Nice meeting you guys. Hopefully I'll see you at the racetrack sometime.
That's right.
And we'll see you guys next time.